back to the job B on the geotie machine. Over to you, Jeremy.
Hello, can you hear me? Yes, okay, thank you. So now we are done, and now it's converting live. We just switched from one job, the candy job, to the mask job that you just seen. And the mask job is over here, all right, from the candy on the left to the mask on the right. As you can see, it's printing live right now. We took a total of 21 minutes and 27 seconds of changeover. I told you 20 minutes. We are exactly on the dot. On delivering that, as you can see, we changed from Indigo 69 printed roll to one Indigo 25K printed roll, from 6K to 25K. So as you can see, the width also have changed. Again, it supports up to 3-inch to 6-inch core, so it's very easy for you to do the changeover. Very compatible with the Indigo press that you will have. So again, it's easy to switch over. For now, this job, there's a bit of special properties because it's no longer a standard pouch, but it became a 3-side seal. So let me just show you a few key differences between the two jobs, okay, on screen. So this is a standard pouch, which means below there is an additional layer, all right? And below you can do it variable design, all right? So this is a standard pouch. But what we have changed to is essentially a bag with a zipper, okay? With a sealing, all right? So we're going to show you a bit later about where is this module and how you can easily integrate. So please follow me, and it's almost the same as what we do earlier, all right? As you can see, the whole process, instead of having a smaller sleeve, it now became a much bigger versus a single substrate. Okay, so you can see that again the eye mark is activated to read a black color line at the middle, so it automatically compensates to where the middle is at. Okay, and as we move forward, it folds in, and with its eye mark sensors easily able to read the edge to edge of the substrate. All right, and with its eye mark sensors, as you can see, firmly put it together. And here we have is a zipper line. All right, and this zipper line is able to inline attach it into the substrate. So if I move it up a little bit, you can easily see that there's this line that attached in to the substrate and into the heat sealing component, heat sealing station. And from here, there's an ultrasonic sensor, and same process, all right? It seals at the sides of each and every single pouch, okay, on the sides, all right? And you can see all the way to the end process over here, all right? So now, as you can see, moving at extremely fast speeds, we are ramping up to 120 pouches per minute, as you can see over here, and it's currently in progress. All right. So and it's running out. All right. So in terms of the wastage, all right, I want to show you the wastage. So this is the wastage that we have for the job. All right, as you can see, only 60 meters of wastage that comes out during the pouch changeover. All right, so this is the wastage that we have on each job. All right.
So Jeremy, this is the waste that it took the pouch making to set up for the second job. That's it.
Exactly. So the wastage is only 60 meters. Mainly comes from the part whereby you have to change the blades a little bit on the right. But other than that, this is the wastage for this changeover between the candy to the mask job. All right. So very efficient, extremely fast changeover. 20 minutes in terms of changeover process. So let me summarize the Zhoutai AMD 350 pouch making machine. There's a few features about it that makes it stand out as compared to the competition. The first one is that its versatility in its size is only 30 meters with 8 sensors. It compensates as it goes. It cuts down on waste as it goes. And again, the time to market is extremely fast. You change over from one job to the other in 20 minutes. It allows you to change the blade, the heat knife in impeccable time of 22 seconds. Faster than anything you have in the market today. And on top of that, it comes with easy features, management features such as batch control and safety features such as heat control, and also comes with ultrasonic infrared sensors on the end-to-end of the machine for safety requirements, and an emergency pull switch. Okay, and it's also compliant to European Union EU safety standards on the Zhoutai pouch making machine. All right. So as you can see, we are now changing to yet another job again for the next demo. Okay, so very fast. Okay, now we only print only about 250 bags, and now we are moving on to the next one. So again, the Chotai AMD 350 pouch making machine, we are open to do any live one-on-one demo together with the 25K Indigo digital press, and also with the Indigo 6K digital press, which is compatible with this pouch making machine. All right. I'm Jeremy, and thank you so much joining us for a session. And I think we will come together. So, Cindy, can you take us out?
Thank you. Thank you, Jeremy, and thank you, team here in Singapore COE and also online. We are wrapping up the Digital Pouch Factory Demo Day live today, and I hope you enjoy the time and also to see something really valuable to you, to witness the only field proven end-to-end solutions for digital printing flexible packaging today. And I really hope to welcome you to be back with us in a few months, because we will have the full digital pouch factory with the laminator E800 from Northern Mechanica. So really hope you come back and enjoy the demo day live next time in a few months. Thank you today. Thank you for being with us, Singapore team.
Thank you so much for joining us today. It's not possible without the help from Jotai and our partners Futomura. And together with the COE team, you don't see them on camera, but Edson Harris, Elijah, and Sean, and Mr. Lee, okay, and of course us over here, and Mark, of course, cannot forget you, Mark. So again, I think we have some comments. If you have any comments or feedback and we want to make it better for every single session, please scan the QR code on my left or on your right to give us feedback and to tell us how we can improve on the next session. So what do you all think about today, Yoav?
Yeah. Thanks. First of all, thank you for all the participants. Again, I think it was an amazing masterpiece of how do you do manufacturing in a digital and efficient way. One point that I'd like the team also online to take away from this, look at the space that we are in. When we say digital pouch factory, and this was presented by Cindy as well, this is the space, 600, even sometimes less square meter. This is the space that is required. It is efficient, it is compact, and it is highly profitable. The HP Indigo 25K, the lamination that we will have again here in the future, all the center of command behind it, and the pouch making is all here. This is a compact, this is efficient, and this is how things should be done in the future.
And also the operator that we need, Yoav.
And the operator, the number of people, of course, the
Huge
number
savings.
of people, huge saving, no back office, no archiving, no cylinders, warehousing. All this is not relevant anymore. This is the core of what's taking place in the digital pouch factory.
So, Rika, what got you excited about today as well?
Yeah, everything. I mean, I think it's important to say, and the message we want to bring also is this: just so much you can do in 90 minutes. We went over a little bit. View this as an introduction. We would love to interact with all of you one-to-one. We want to see you back here. We will set up one-to-one interactions with you. We want to run your substrate, your files in the press here. So, and yeah, that's the message from me, because there's just so much you can do in an hour and a half. So
yeah, we definitely want to invite you to bring your specific jobs. We'll run it here on the HP Indigo 25K. We'll have a dedicated time and we'll go through the entire process with even much more deep dive into the data.
So it's very exciting to see all of you here, and we want to invite you back for the next session. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave in the chat. And on top of that, do reach out to your HP team, and we can do this as a one-to-one demo for your brand or your customer. After this demonstration, we can do with your own substrates and of course your own jobs and your own pouches. We can customize this for you. So do let us know about that as well. And in addition, we have another session coming up at 3 p.m. Singapore time. So if you miss any part of this session or you just came in right in the middle, don't fret not. You can join us on the next session at 3 p.m. Singapore time. Reach out if you like more details.
Okay, so thank you everybody. Thank you to Cindy, in Shanghai. Thank you to Kirsi. Thank you to also Dennis down in Melbourne. And from all of us here, thank you very much for joining us today.
On behalf
Thank
of the
you.
COE team, goodbye
you.
and take care. And see you.
Bye-bye.